and they are quoted in mandatory terms, Your Honor. Your Worship, particularly under Rule 5, the court shall, in considering a bail application, be guided by the following principles. Which include, Your Honor, and rightly so, as they are stated, right to presume innocent and all of that, Your Honor. But it goes on under Rule 12, talks of the contents of a bail application, and it is quoted in mandatory terms, containing particulars of the applicant, accompanied by a copy of the applicant's national identity or introductory letter, Your Worship, which have not been presented, Your Honor. Without taking so much of this, we pray that, because to be honest, we ordinarily have asked for time to verify documents which are not here. We pray that the court is pleased, despite their prayer to entertain the application without the documentation. It's highly ironic procedure that this council wants to adopt. Documents have to be presented. We want that thereafter we will be able to respond to the application, but as it stands on without submission, and found so, that there is no application. Your Worship, Honorable Chameleone stated that the accused have been on remand for 174 days. In another matter, don't know that, if there was any bit of proof of the same. So we pray that the court really does it. We pray that the court is pleased, stand this case, so that the defense may put its house in order. But if the court will, basing on the application, we seek time that we respond to this application. It's okay.
Your Honor, just to reiterate on your prayer, we're saying we are not responding to this bail application because we're ambushed as well. We pray for time to respond, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Your Honor, we are not objecting to the prayer by the prosecution.
I want you to answer my question. Are we ready for a bail application?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, a rejoinder to what has been submitted by our learned friends. And the brother has cited Rule 5 of the bail guidelines. The requirements set out there are not mandatory, but rather directory. You just this application. Let us agree with the prosecution. We'll supply them with documents.
That's why I asked, are you ready? So we had to move like ready for this bail application.
Yes, Your Honor, we transmit it. Your Honor, Your Honor, may it be a short adjournment.
We have just a short adjournment because it's already 5 o'clock and government should have to work.
Maybe Your Honor, Your Honor, is true. Yes, Your Honor. We have been ambushed by the arraignment of the accused people in court. And Your Honor, in the premises, we give for a short adjournment so that we avail the required documents as requested by our learned colleagues the state, and we can be able to proceed with this application.
My criminal days are Monday and Tuesday. That's when I have activity with the state attorneys. The other days are civil.
So can we come back to